first time you the first time you joined Mr. Game World Philippines, you played first runner-up. So, sa tingin mo, ano yung kulang na hindi mo nagawa nung the first time you joined? At ano yung kapuluan na nagawa mo ngayon na way para ikaw ang tanghaling Mr. Game?
Last time kasi it's just an experience for me. After nun, working with different organizations and realizing my real purpose in the community. Sobrang tagal nga, 8 years. And now, joining this year and winning this year, ito yung talagang right time for me. Kasi I've grown a lot, mentally, physically, and expound my advocacy that I can actually extend not only to the Philippines but also to the international stage.
So, may pressure ba sa part mo since nung the first time you joined, yung nanalo nun, nanalo Mr. Gay World. Mr. Gay World, tama ba?
Yes po, si Kuya Jan. Si Kuya Jan.
Naman, kasi para mapatunayan mo, kasi at parang vindicated ka, parang ganun eh. So, sa tingin mo, may pressure na dapat ganun din yung maging faith mo katulad ni what's the name of the
Kuya Jan po, Jan Raspado.
Oo.
In every competition naman po ay may pressure. Pero if you are prepared a lot for that competition, yung pressure mawawala yan eh. If you have that right mindset and determination, you can actually win or you can actually achieve what competition you are competing with.
Mr. Gay World Philippines, ano yung initial plan mo or rather, ano yung initial game plan mo para sa international competition mo?
My initial game plan is actually yung preparation ko dito sa nationals, inisip ko siya as international na eh. So, itutuloy ko lang yung game plan ko kung ano yung ginagawa ko dito. Continuous advocacies that I started since 2017. And yung sinabi ko nga kanina during the Q&A, yung ano ko, actually, diniscuss siya during the closed door interview. So, yun yung mga dadalin kong mga advocacies and projects when I go to the international stage.
Thank you, congratulations, and best of luck.
Thank you. Yes po.
Sir Bench, congratulations for winning the Mr. Gay World Philippines 2024. The question is, what's your message for your grandparents? If nandito sila ngayon sa harap.
Okay. So, ayun, yung message ko sa lolo't lola ko, actually, yung tawag ko sa kanila mama at papa. Kasi yung full interview ko, sinabi ko doon na sila yung tumayong mother and father ko kasi nga hindi ako in honor ng mother ko and hindi ko kasi kilala yung father ko. So, tawag ko sa kanila mama at papa. So, sorry medyo natagalan pero ito na yung dream natin. Kasi if you guys watching last 2016, every time I came up on stage, lagi silang tumatayo, nag-cheer sa akin. So, during kanina, I'm always looking different sides kung makikita ko sila. Pero kahit hindi ko sila nakikita ngayon, alam ko nasa taas sila. At alam ko sobrang proud sila sa akin. Ayun. At bakit yun na naman ako pinaiyak? Ano to? Ano to? Okay po. Sige po.
And for sure, super proud sila sa'yo ngayon.
Okay po.
And kanina, super teary-eyed talaga kami nung pinanood namin yung video mo. It feels like we're watching again the How to Make Millions Before Your Grandma Dies. And siguro yun na lang yung question para next, mag-proceed na tayo sa next media.
Okay
That's
po.
it. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Next po.
All right, congratulations, Bench, for winning Mr. Gay World Philippines crown. And I'm sure proud din yung grandmother mo. And first question, ano sa tingin mo yung naging winning mindset mo or the reason why you wear that crown?
Since I started this competition this year, I always have that winning mindset. I started working out since last year pa kasi if you watch Eat Bulaga, sobrang laki ko nun, 'di ba? So I was bashed because of my weight and then inisip ko pa kung kakayanin ko this year. Pero inisip ko kasi pangarap to ng grandparents ko para sa akin, para sa aming tatlo. So I started having that winning mindset that no matter what people say about me, about my looks, about my styling, about my advocacies, and the things that I am doing just to win this competition. I don't really care. I'm just focusing on winning. Kaya siguro nakuha ko siya kasi yung manifesting ko talaga sobrang, kasi wala. Yun na yun. Dapat ito. Parang ganun.
And also to our first runner-up, Mr. Gay World Philippines.
Hello, good
Hello,
evening
Mi.
po.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
And what are your plans now for your? Are you also continuing to your advocacy or?
Well, on September, we'll celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Sagunting Malayong Mararating. But then we're gonna go it further another level because we're tying up with the whole Makati Zen. We're putting up the Right to Care card, which is originated in Quezon City. It is an advocacy that started by Mayor Joy Belmonte about giving a card to your partner that you will have the authority to authorize, to put them into life. To parang, when they're in the hospital, and then if you're an LGBT member, you cannot have that right eh. But with this card, with the help of the LGU, I guess that would support. Ang dami kasing LGBT in Makati. So we wanted to have that as well. So that's my next activity. Next is my wedding. Actually, pinanala ko yung dokumental. Hindi, joke lang. Kasi kakasal ako. So, I mean, I was having fun. The three of us were there standing. Sabi ko nga, whatever happens, it's his decision. It's his fate. We were happy. The three of us, parang kaming na-shock na parang, ha? Tatlo tayo? Yung ganon. So, my heart is grateful. I am full. I am happy. A better life is there for me. We have to support him 101%. I am calling out everyone. Even Makati will support him because he's like my son and my daughter.
Parehas kaming may rosaryo kanina.
Actually, natawa kami pag namin. Ha? May rosaryo kami pareho.
Follow-up question lang sa dalawang runners-up. Okay. As Miss Gay World Philippines runners-up, may possibility ba na mag-compete kayo internationally? I mean, anong sabi ng ng organization, what in store for you as runners up? May possibility ba na magpadala rin kayo sa mga international competition?
The organization never talk about that. Pero if may plan sila sa amin or kung willing sila na ipadala kami international to compete and represent the Philippines, why not? Bukas yung pinto namin. Kaya po kami lumaban kasi may iba't iba po kaming advocacy na gustong i-share hindi lamang sa society but to the world.
Thank you.
I think it would be a great opportunity if the three of us would go abroad and support each other as Mr. Gay World Philippines. I think it's also the first ever, if ever it's gonna happen with the new era. Because alam nyo, I was telling this to Mr. Wayne that we are very grateful that he opened up this new era and it really stepped up. And that step will be maintained, elevated, and the three of us will be supporting, especially to our king. So why not? Let's pray.
Question to our second runner-up. Mark, who was your inspiration in joining this competition?
Kaya ako sumali, yung inspiration ko is to tell my story to the whole world. Alam nyo naman po, hindi siguro lingid sa inyong kaalaman na naging laman ako ng iba't ibang social media platforms, most especially Twitters. At nandito ako ngayon para i-inspire hindi lamang yung LGBT community but the people see themselves in me na may lugar kami at may space kami na kahit anong gawin namin dapat supportan nyo kami kasi hindi naman namin gagawin yung isang bagay nang walang dahilan. And I want to embrace and accept change by means participating this competition. Nadapa ako, hinusgan ako, pero eto ako ngayon, nandito ako sa inyong harapan, nagbibigay inspirasyon that even though my past wasn't good, I will still be able to change myself. That's why nag-school po ako to prove them wrong, na hindi ako hanggang doon lang. Na lahat tayo may karapatang magbago at even yung person na kagaya ko.
Alright. Last question lang po sa ating newly crowned Mr. Gay World Philippines. Mr. Bench, what's your piece of advice to those who wants also to be to get crowned?
Don't give up. Even you hear negative comments about you, about who you are, about how you look, there's only one person who actually rooting for you, and that person is you. So sa mga taong nangangarap sa kung ano yung kinatatayuan naming tatlo, wag kayong susuko kasi maniwala lang kayo sa sarili nyo at balang araw, whatever achievements or goals that you are want to achieve, ma-achieve nyo yun kasi naniniwala kayo sa sarili nyo.
Bench, isa na lang. For those who do not, wait lang. Bench, for those who do not know, ano yung advocacy mo?
My advocacy actually, quick story, started during my final Q&A last 2016. I was mumbling my mind when I answering that question, and then nasabi ko yung coach of equality. It's actually related on my work as a fitness coach. And why not relating my work on my advocacy? It's actually a wide array of advocacy because LGBT community has a lot of issues. We cannot actually focus on one. There's a lot of issues everywhere, every day. So it's a wide array. Like if ina-narrow down ko, so meron akong mga campaigns for sexual health and HIV awareness. I actually co-produced a BL series way back pandemic because we was scammed by a fake producer. So I was left behind with other young gay queers. So ako yung nag-lead sa kanila para makapag-produce kami ng BL series during that time. It's actually running on YouTube. It's actually co-founded by Love Yourself. So pinapanood pa rin siya. So na-survive namin siya during pandemic na mayroong mga taong nag-support sa akin. May mga friends ako, client ko sa gym, other non-profit organizations during pandemic kaya naitawid namin yung program. So then for the Golden Gays naman, I actually doing a dance fitness marathon relating on my work as a dance fitness coach. I co-founded it since 2017. It started during my birthday. So parang sabi ko parang gusto kong gumawa ng something na iba. So ginawa ko siya and then hanggang ngayon tuloy-tuloy siya. Every October may clients yung nakita nyo kanina. Lahat sila nagsusupport, nagbibigay sila ng money. So tas nag-create ako ng dance fitness marathon. Ako yung nagli-lead and then I have guest fitness coaches and then may ticket siya. And then lahat nung mga nakukuha ko doon is directly kila Tito Ramon. And then lastly, yung personal sa akin, yung book ko, nagawa ko siya during pandemic kasi nga wala akong trabaho. So hindi ko alam kung paano ko magsusurvive. Tapos tapos namatay pa yung grandparents ko. So nag-isip ako na parang ma-release yung pain kasi mag-isa ako eh. So ginawa ko parang how about coping up yung mga experiences ko as a kid para ma-reminisce ko yung experiences ko sa grandparents ko. That comes the time na nakapag-create ako ng children's book. So, ayun. So, gusto ko siyang dalhin sa international stage kasi wala naman masyadong children's book relating for gay kids eh. Kasi, syempre, nasa country tayo na medyo sinusuppress nila yung mga ganong information. So, given a chance to represent the Philippines, I will have the opportunity to actually share what Filipino gay kid is to the world. Ayun. So, medyo sobrang wide niya kasi gusto ko talagang itackle lahat. Kasi if magfo-focus tayo sa isa, yun lang yun eh. Kasi there are a lot of organizations co-founding and doing an advocacy just like that. But we just have to pinpoint what is really important and to start in our core. Mag-start tayo sa mga bata. Kasi sila yung next generation ng mga bakla. Ayun.
Speaking of mga bakla, nabitin kami sa sagot mo kanina. Aming nala ng story.
Thank you.
Pwede bang given a chance? Can you please continue your answer?
Because of so sa Gunting Malayong Mararating, we wanted to celebrate it on September as its 25th anniversary. I was planning to give out LGU to communities to connect all the LGU communities because of TESDA. From Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, we're gonna cater a livelihood program of paggugupit ng libre para magkaroon ng pera si Mami. So, it's one of those livelihood programs that we conduct with the LGU communities that provide, paggugupit, pagkukulay na pwede nilang pagkuhaan in their community ng mga pagkakakitaan. Parang ang pangit ko magtagalog. Ng pagkakakitaan. So if we're gonna do that, we will be able to connect everybody, not just one sector, but the whole of the country. If the whole of the country is connected and united, when the world will see us as one.
ko. Okay, one.
Anything that representative to your prefer or inspire? You already have one.
Pwede kong dagdagan yung inspired sa committed. Kasi this title, you need to have that commitment. It's not just about winning the title, it's about continuing the purpose of the organization and your advocacy itself. So, para sa akin, I'm very inspired and committed to win. The fifth ba? Tama, fifth. Oo, yun. At ituloy yung mga sinundan ko kung nasan man sila. Buhay pa naman sila.
Sabi mo yung reason gumaganon tayo.
Oo, yung reason, nakita nyo ba bakit kami gumaganon? Kasi dahil magka-close kasi kami. Sabi namin, pag may special awards, bibilangin mo. Kaya kami gumaganon. Tapos tawa kami ng tawa. Kaya tignan mo pag may tumatawa kami kasi titignan namin kung itataas niya yung kamay. Oo, so sobrang saya namin as a group. Ayun, so mamimiss ko
Yes.
sila. Pero kayo,
One last question. As we celebrate Pride March, what is your message for those people who still not open-minded about the acceptance?
You don't need to hurry. Kasi coming out, hindi mo kailangang i-force yung sarili mo. It's a personal space. You just have to create your own space. By the time that you are ready, we are ready. I am ready with my co-winners that we are here. The Mr. Gay World organization is here. That we exist and it's okay to be gay. Parang ganon. Ayun. So kung gusto nyo bang sagutin yung tanong niya?
Ako, I would always, my first answer, it should start with family. If the whole members of the family is united and then they understand each other, no matter what happens, their sons, their daughters, even their sisters or brothers, they would see that will be united and they would understand in their time, in their space, and at their moment. So that's how you celebrate Pride.
For me kasi, the only way for others to accept you is to be yourself. Huwag kang magtago o huwag mong itago kung ano ka kasi natatakot kang tanggapin nila. Magpakatotoo ka lang kasi kung tatanggapin ka nila, salamat. Kung hindi, salamat pa din kasi ikaw yan. Mabubuhay ka nang wala sila. At yung judgment na binibigay nila, siguro yun yung magiging motivation mo para patunayan sa kanila na parte tayo ng mundo. LGBT tayo. Nandyan o wala sila, makulay yung buhay natin as a member of LGBT community.
Thank you so much and
Congratulations!
Salamat po.
See you soon!